All right, what's going on, guys? We're going to make a quick video today on YouTube Shorts. All right, so if you're not familiar with YouTube Shorts, you probably are, but basically they're short videos. They're similar to TikToks. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media sites, so YouTube is presented Shorts as sort of a competitor to that. So the reason it's good is not only is there less competition, but you also get an irregular promotion from YouTube, right? So it makes it easier to gain subscribers, so you can get to that 1,000 subscriber mark and actually run ads. So I have two channels that I put shorts on. I'm just under 1,000 on both of them. I'm not going to show them, I think, for obvious reasons, but I will show you this process real quick. So basically, you're going to want to go to TikTok, and you're going to want to search a topic ahead of time. Okay. Come on. But let's say I want to do police interaction, right? Or getting pulled over maybe would be a better search, but I'm just trying to show you how it works. And then what we do, if this ever loaded, right, and I'll link this below, we're going to go sstiktok.io, okay? We're going to take the URL, and we're going to insert it. We're going to hit download, and then you're going to be able to get the TikTok video without the watermark, which is important, all right? Now, what I do, I don't know if you have to do this. I just think it's the right thing to do. I link back to the person's video. I include their handle. I link back to their page just to give them credit because it is not my video. All right. But if you download without watermark, you have your video, right? Then what you can do is you can go to vidIQ. Okay. And what this does is it's going to show you the level of competition, because let's say we're doing puppies, okay? Problem with that is there's a ton of videos on puppies. So we want to make it generic, but not, or we want to make it unique, but not too unique so that nobody can find it. So we want to really find a sweet spot, right? And I'll link to vidIQ as well. I'm just signing in. All right, cool. So if I go to dashboard or go to keywords, and let's see, what's our video again? Puppy jumping. So we'll maybe start there, right? So if I do all right, so look, super high competition. This is from a scale from 0 to 100, right? So very high competition and actually not really that popular, right? So these would be better. But now I'm going to try something else. I'm going to put fail. Let's see how that does. I don't know. I haven't done this ahead of time. But yeah, this is actually not a great search at all. Again, the competition is very high and my score is not particularly high. So that's the worst of both worlds. Let's try cute puppy jumping fail. Puppy trying to jump. And this is kind of the process, though. Like, most people are going to show you this scripted ahead of time. Maybe I should have. But I didn't, right? So this one would probably be the best one here, right? I could continue searching. You see how there's a little bit less competition and my score is a little bit higher, right? So that's where you would want to go. And then you're just basically going to upload, I'll include some videos in the description that's going to show you a little more detail. This is just a basic outliner on YouTube Shorts. Anyway, if you like this, maybe I'll do some more videos on it again in the future. Thanks.